We know that Jamaican men and women are very fashionable, and our designers exceptional in their creation to match the varied tastes of our men and women. Here we are with the third staging of Style Jamaica, which was organized to leverage this market trend by developing authentic and unique shopping experiences that add value to Destination Jamaica's touristic offerings. The objective of Style Jamaica are in keeping with the broader objectives of our tourism industry, as it seeks to promote Jamaica as a premium shopping destination, promote the highlight local designers to the tourism market, and to diversify the on-island shopping experience. The UNWTO has acknowledged that shopping is an increasingly relevant component of the tourism value chain and has been converted into a determining factor affecting destination choice, an important component of the overall travel experience, and in some cases, the prime travel motivation. So it was with the knowledge that this pastime is one of the most important activities for tourists, and in fact is an important factor in the choice of destinations for many, that shopping was identified as one of the must-haves in the tourism linkage network. We have the hardworking teams at the TEF and the Tourism Linkage Network, the Jamaica Tourist Board, the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation, and our host, of course, Main Street Jamaica, to thank for staging this very exciting event. At a time when spirits are a bit low and hearts heavy over the impact of the corona pandemic, this event offers a breath of fresh air to lift the spirit and rekindle hope.
The professionally curated Style Jamaica fashion show, which showcases ready-to-wear pieces by Jamaican designers.
COVID-19 may have slowed us down, but it has also allowed us to recharge our batteries, allowing us to put measures in place that strengthen our resilience. That sums up its impact on tourism, and we are coming back stronger and better.